Hello, today we are looking at the Segura Jango, no relation. This is a men's glove in a rather fetching hue, as you can see, and it features such wonderful items as a touchscreen sensor system, which in English is a little bit of well thought out material just here to make it easier for pressing all the bits and bobs. It has palm reinforcement here, it has knuckle protectors here, it is air meshed here, and I can really see a pair of these being worn on, say, the distinguished gentleman's ride on a Triumph Thruxton or a Kawasaki Z900 RS, something, that kind of bike. They've got that written all over them. But for the kind of glove they are very well protected. There's extra protection here along the edge of the hand and also on the lower knuckles just here. Now, they come in sizes small to 3XL, and as always, if you'd like some more information on this natty little number, pop to bikerheadz.co.uk.